Hey there, social media superstars. Imagine growing your TikTok follower count to 10,000 without spending a dime. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Let's dive into some fast growth strategies for 2025. First up, understanding the TikTok algorithm is crucial. It loves fresh, engaging content that keeps users on the platform longer. So, create videos that are not only entertaining, but also shareable. Next, hop on trends. TikTok is all about what's happening right now. So, keep an eye on trending sounds, challenges, and hashtags. Incorporating these into your content can get you in front of a much larger audience. Hashtags are your secret weapon. Use them strategically, targeting the ones most relevant to your niche. This boosts your visibility and helps you reach users who are interested in your content. Now, let's talk collaboration. Teaming up with influencers or creators in your niche can exponentially expand your network. It's a win-win situation that exposes your content to new audiences. Duets and challenges are another great way to increase exposure. Participating in these can get your face and your content in front of a wider audience, especially if you add a unique spin to it. Your profile and bio? They're the first things people see. Make sure they're optimized for engagement. Use a compelling bio and a profile picture that reflects your brand. Lastly, use analytics. These insights can help you understand your audience better and refine your content strategy to keep those likes and shares coming. If you're looking for a boost, I've found Media Mister to be a reliable service for social media growth. It's safe, no passwords needed, and offers real followers. Definitely worth checking out. So there you have it, your roadmap to 10K TikTok followers without breaking the bank. Get out there, create, collaborate, and grow. And remember, your journey to 10K starts with that first follower.